So let us make a rough diagram for the question. So we will mark the coordinates that are given to us. A is small a comma 3 and b comma 5. This is b, this is a, and c is also a comma b. So their x coordinate is same. Let us take it in the same line, a comma b, because a and a, the x coordinates are same, so this line is parallel to the y-axis. AC is parallel to y-axis, and this is the triangle that forms, right? So first of all, this is, suppose, E coordinate, which will be the midpoint of AC, because this is P 1 comma 1, which is given to us as the circumcenter. And when a line is drawn joining P, a perpendicular when it drawn from P extends to E, which will be a perpendicular bisector of AC. This is because P is the circumcenter and P will be the concurrency of all the perpendicular bisectors of the side. So let us start writing the coordinates of E. It is a midpoint of AC. So a plus a by 2 will be a plus a by 2 comma b plus 3 by 2 is equal to 2a by 2, which is a, comma b plus 3 by 2. We know that AC is parallel to the y-axis, and when a line EP is drawn passing through the circumcenter, we can say that this will be perpendicular to AC. So this line will be parallel to the x-axis. And the equation of a line parallel to x-axis is y is equal to constant is equal to 1, because it is also passing through the point P, right? The line PE passes through the point E, so we can write b plus 3 by 2 is equal to 1. So b is equal to 2 minus 3, hence b is equal to minus 1. This is the first information that we have got, that b is equal to minus 1. Now similarly, in the triangle we can find the midpoint of side AB, that will be, suppose, D. So when a line is joined like this, PD is again the perpendicular bisector of AB. So let us find the coordinates of D. Those will be a plus b by 2 comma 3 plus 5 by 2. So D coordinates are a plus b by 2 comma 8 by 2, which is 4. Now we know that the perpendicular bisector, which is PD, is perpendicular to AB. Hence the multiplication of their slopes will be equal to minus 1. So using this formula, we can write slope of AB is equal to 5 minus 3 y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. x1 is a. So 5 minus 3 by b minus a. And similarly, slope of PD is equal to 4 minus 1 by a plus b by 2 minus 1. So let us do the multiplication of these slopes. 5 minus 3 is 2 by b minus a into 4 minus 1 is 3 by a plus b. Let us take the LCM here, that will be a plus b minus 2 by 2 is equal to minus 1. 2 by, substituting the value of b, which we have found out as minus 1 already, we will get this 2 will go here to the numerator, and so we will get 12. 6 into 2, 12 by minus 1 minus a into a minus 3 is equal to minus 1. So 12 by minus a square plus 3 plus 3a is equal to minus 1. So 12 is equal to minus of a square plus 3 plus 2a. 12 is equal to a square minus 2a minus 3. So finally we will get this quadratic equation, which is a square minus 2a minus 15 is equal to 0. Using the splitting the middle term method, the two factors of the quadratic equation are a plus 3 into a minus 5. So a is equal to minus 3 comma 5. Remember, they have given us a condition in the question that ab is greater than 0, which is positive. So we already know the value of b is minus 1. So suppose a has to be minus 3 so that their multiplication will be positive. So we will take a is equal to minus 3 and reject a is equal to 5. Alright. So now in the triangle back again, if we draw a perpendicular from A to BC, then we can find the intersection of the line AP and BC to find the coordinates of the midpoint of BC. Alright. So drawing a perpendicular passing from P, that is the circumcenter. This is the point D. This will also be perpendicular to BC. Alright. So first let us write the equation of BC and the equation of AP, and the point of intersection of these two lines will be the point. We have already taken a point D, so let us take in the question they have given us Q. So this point is Q. Alright, it will pass from A to BC. So intersection of line AP and BC is Q, and its coordinates are K1, K2 as given in the question. So let us write the equation of BC. So equation of BC can be written using the formula y2 minus y1 is equal to mx2 minus x1, 5 minus b by b minus a into x minus b. So y minus 5 is equal to 5. Substituting the value of b, which is minus 1. So 5 minus minus plus 1, 6 by, we can also substitute the value of a here, minus 1 plus 3 is 2 into x plus 1 will give you y minus 5 is equal to 3x plus 3. So the equation of line BC is y minus 3x minus 8 is equal to 0. Now the equation similarly of line AP can also be found out. Y minus 1 is equal to 3 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1. Using the coordinates of A and P, we can write this equation for AP. So y minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 2 into x minus 1. This will give you the equation of AP, which is 2y plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. Similarly, you can find out for AP. So now the intersection of the two lines AP and BC can be found out by solving the two equations. Multiply BC equation by 2, which will be 2y minus 6x minus 16 is equal to 0, and subtract AP from BC, that is minus 2y minus x plus 3 is equal to 0. So you will get minus 7x minus 13 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 13 by 7. Substituting y in AP, substituting x in AP will help you find y. So minus 13 by 7 minus 3 is equal to 0. 2y is equal to 34 by 14 is equal to 17 by 7. Y is equal to 34 by 14, which is equal to 17 by 7. So you have found x and y, which are nothing but the k1 comma k2 coordinates of the point Q are equal to x and y minus 13 by 7 comma 17 by 7. In the question they have asked us k1 plus k2, so let us do the sum of these coordinates. Minus 13 plus 17 by 7 is equal to plus 4 by 7.